Ordinary family knives we purchase all have a standard of quality, but we need to have a concept of a knife's sharpness which improves its use. Using a knife makes it dull. And why, when it's sharpened with a stone, is it still not sharp? We must first understand the angles of the sharp edge. Look at the side view of these knives on the computer. The central one is standard. Look at the curve of the blade. If you don't understand the relationship of the angle to the stone, it will become too thin. Cutting boned items like fish with this knife is more difficult. The blade will become jagged. Conversely, if the sharpened angle is too wide, it is also ineffective. When chopping chicken or duck, the cut is not clean and the pieces fly. Moreover, a sharpening stone is hard and flat. Look again at the computer. The contact area is limited. Therefore, when sharpening the blade, the angle is like this. They all produce different results. The direction of the knife is sharpened, whether forwards, backwards, or from the side. Whether you choose a stone made from coarse or fine materials, all these approaches produce different results. Unless you are an experienced knife sharpener, how can you expect to keep your knife sharp? Now, introducing a revolutionary new product, Nire Electric Knife Sharpener. With Nire Electric Knife Sharpener, sharpening knives becomes easy. Just place the dull knife into the sharpener and gently pull it towards you. It will make it as sharp as a new knife. The left side of the sharpener sharpens the left side of the blade. The right side of the sharpener sharpens the right side of the blade. Look, the knife has been sharpened perfectly, and even a hard coconut becomes easy to slice. Now let's take a cleaver and see what the results are. Repeat the process on the left and on the right. Whether the blade is a thick cleaver or a thin fruit knife, the Nire Electric Knife Sharpener automatically adjusts to the correct angle. Remove the cover of the sharpener to view the two sharpening wheels. They rotate quickly at 2,780 revolutions per minute, allowing us to effectively and perfectly sharpen any type of knife in less time. Now watch this sharpening test. First, we take a small piece of aluminum and then place it into the Nire Knife Sharpener. Sharpen as usual, first on the left and then on the right. And then observe. Before, this was a dull piece of aluminum, and now it can slice paper, oranges, and even the orange seeds. This knife can't even cut through a name card. A hand won't feel a thing when the blade is drawn across. Place this dull knife into the sharpener on the left, on the right, and it becomes perfectly sharp. It's as sharp as a razor. Slice a name card, 1, 2, 3. Turn it around and lightly touch your hair. It will fall off immediately. It's clearly visible on this piece of white paper. Look how sharp it is. Using Nire to sharpen knives is like magic. Gently slide it a few times. Look, it will even shave the hair off your arm. It's razor sharp. Every family has different types of knives, whether long, short, thick, or thin blades. With the Nire Knife Sharpener, you're always guaranteed a perfectly sharp knife to use. Old scissors at home can't cut through cloth? Remove the base from the sharpener and watch carefully. Just rest the blade on the base. Remember, the angles of the scissored blades have already been designed, so don't push too hard. Just gently move the blade forward. Now try to cut the cloth. Look how much easier it is. This is a port cleaver. Notice the special curved design. Just glide it through, following the curve, and immediately it's sharp and shiny. For many years, the Nire Electric Knife Sharpener has been used worldwide and has a registered trademark in many countries. It has Canada's CAS approval, America's UL approval, United European CE approval, United European GS Electrical Design approval, American registered trademark, German registered trademark, and many Taiwanese and Chinese certificates, etc.